everybody, it's me, Kat from Dreaming English, and today I'm going to be doing another science kit, which I've done some of these in the past, a long time ago, and I'm going to be doing another one today. So, this is the set that I'm doing. So the one that I'm doing involves fire, so that's interesting. And basically these have 3 experiments or 2 experiments in them that involve something. I don't know what the theme of this one is, but I'm going to just do that because I don't feel like taking it out of this paper. So this paper can be recycled, so I'm going to put that over there. And now we have this kit. I'm going to open it up, and let's see what we have. So this is for a flame-themed one. So we have 2 experiments. One is called burning magnesium, and the other one is just called flame test. And we have some things in here like some little bits of aluminum foil. Other things like these are bottle droppers. These things, they're heat sensitive. So basically, these when it's onto something that's really hot, this will turn yellow and there'll be an exclamation mark so that way you know when it's hot or not. And we also have these little measuring spoons and these little metal things. I don't know what they are, but I'm sure we're going to have to use them somehow for this thing. We have some chemicals of different things, these little trays, and some wooden stirring sticks. So I'm going to put all this stuff back in here, and we're going to start on the first one. So I'm going to start with probably burning magnesium. For burning magnesium, I'm going to look at this little booklet thing. And we're just starting with this little portable oven thing. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to grab that. Here it is. And I'm going to do my best to open it. Oh, here we go. So now we have this little thing. And it says that we're going to take 1 piece of aluminum foil and put that onto there. So we have aluminum foil inside of this little baggie here. So I'm going to open that up and I'm going to put it on top of that. 1 piece of aluminum foil. I'm going to try not to bend it over here. And put that down. Now it says that we take one of these little metal screw things, and I'm going to get this thing out of the way since I don't want it in my way. So I'm going to open up this little bag and get one of those. So I don't exactly know what this is for, but I think we're supposed to put it here. And now I don't know what we're exactly supposed to do. So on the little thing, this is what it shows, and I'm not entirely sure what that means. Is it like a strip of fuel? Ugh. I'm supposing that this is a strip of the aluminum foil, but I have no idea. So I will be right back while I go test that. So I'm back, and what I'm doing is I am using my mom's phone, so that way I can go into the Mel Science experiment thing and look up this certain experiment so I can have a little bit more of an idea on what it's supposed to do. Oh, we need matches. That's good to know. Can we get the matches? Oh, okay. So apparently the magnesium is in this little bottle, and each strip is inside of the bottle. This little bottle right here. All 3 came out, and now I'm going to take this, and now I'm going to put it like this. So now we have our little strip of magnesium right there, like a little diving board. And I've got some matches too. So now I'm going to take one of these little aluminum cups And I'm supposed to set it like this. These are what they look like. Just a little aluminum thing, I guess. And now we're going to get this stuff, solid fuel, which I can suppose there's some type of fuel in it. I'm just going to put that there, I suppose. Now, I suppose we're going to need the matches for the next step, so I have these right here. Some matches. So then what we're going to do is light this. Come on. So I have this little stick, and now I suppose we set this on fire. Whoa. That's creating a lot of smoke, isn't it? Well, hopefully the alarm does not go off. Well, you guys may not have been able to see it that well, but it did look pretty cool. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And goodbye.